Hello, and welcome to our beginner's guide to decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. In this video, we'll be explaining what DeFi is, how it works, and why it's an important development in the world of finance. What is DeFi? So, what is DeFi? Simply put, DeFi is a way of using blockchain technology to create decentralized financial systems. It allows people to transact with each other without the need for intermediaries like banks, brokers, or other financial institutions. How does DeFi work? Now, let's take a look at how DeFi works. DeFi applications are built on top of blockchain networks, such as Ethereum. These applications are programmed to execute smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements between parties that are recorded on the blockchain. DeFi applications use cryptocurrencies as their main source of value. Users can trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins, such as Tether or USDC, on DeFi platforms. They can also lend or borrow cryptocurrencies and earn interest on their holdings. Why is DeFi important? DeFi is important because it has the potential to democratize finance and make it more accessible to everyone. With DeFi, anyone with an internet connection can participate in financial activities without the need for a bank account or credit score. Additionally, DeFi applications are open source, which means that anyone can inspect the code and verify its security. This helps to reduce the risk of fraud and hacking, which is a major concern in traditional finance. DeFi applications. Now, let's take a look at some of the most popular DeFi applications. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs allow users to trade cryptocurrencies without the need for a centralized exchange. Lending and borrowing platforms, these platforms allow users to lend or borrow cryptocurrencies and earn interest on their holdings. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to a fiat currency, such as the US dollar, to provide stability. Yield farming is a way of earning interest on cryptocurrency holdings by providing liquidity to DeFi protocols. Challenges and risks. While DeFi has the potential to revolutionize finance, there are also challenges and risks involved. Some of the challenges include the complexity of DeFi applications and the lack of regulation in the industry. Additionally, there is the risk of smart contract bugs, which can result in the loss of funds. It's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before participating in DeFi activities. Conclusion. In conclusion, DeFi is an exciting development in the world of finance that has the potential to make finance more accessible, transparent, and secure. While there are risks involved, it's important to approach DeFi with caution and do your own research before participating. We hope this video has provided you with a basic understanding of DeFi. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.